Where? Where has this year gone? I don't know because this year literally just flew by, and as you can see, I am at home, and this is not my normal space. If any of you recognize this backdrop, it's quite nostalgic. We're gonna do a quick little recap on how this month's been. So, December actually started with trip planning. Oh, cheers to trip planning! We are actually planning to go to Manali to see the snow. So goal of this trip is just to see snowfall because I've never seen snowfall in my life. Oh, also I got my hands on the Kate Cherry bag from Neff's Finds finally, which was such a nice thing and I'm obsessed with it. I've been carrying this around everywhere now, so cue the clips that I have of me unboxing this cute bag. You'll see this bag throughout the video. Hey guys, it's just another beautiful Sunday and I came home from my workout and I came home to two great packages. The first one I'm super excited about. It's the Neff's package. I finally got my hands on the Kate Cherry bag, which I have been looking forward to for so long. So I opened that, and I think I've ordered a belt as well. I'm so excited to see it. Dude, this color is better. Oh my god, this is just better in person. This is so cute. I love it, and it's got so much space, and it has like zips inside as well. Okay, it's very cute. I love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna style it and show it to you later on, but for now, yes. So the reason why I got this belt is because it would like be such a great outfit with the bag, and I can totally imagine it in on any color really. Like just put these two together and it's an outfit ready made for you. So love this. Love the detailing, the gold detailing here as well. Really like it. Last up is, yes, the khaki top. I just got the top because I wasn't so sure of the fitting of the pants. I don't know how I feel about it because I thought the color was a bit lighter. In person, it's a bit darker. So, and the fitting should be good because there's a bow, like you can tie it up at the back. So yeah, I'm overall really happy with the order. Actually, I'm going to the event right now, right? I think I might just wear the khaki top and the bag. I'm really excited. I have to wear it right now. Absolutely love the look. Also, I feel like my specs are matching my lip as well as. Oh, this is the look. In goes my glasses. Okay, let me try wearing them. Started being a little bit more mindful this month in the sense that wanted some just time off gadgets, editing, work, and everything has just been a bit stressful lately. So I wanted to just detach myself from all the gadgets out there, except my camera, of course. So just treating my phone as a dumb phone and switching off the Wi-Fi and drawing, painting, and all of that. So I decided to just take the Sunday night and detox. But somehow I never really draw as much because it requires a lot of time, and I feel like I can better utilize my time elsewhere. It was such a peaceful evening, just rewinding, listening to music, lighting my scented diffuser, and I didn't even realize where the evening went by. Somewhere else I know you sigh, look away. Aftermath.
It's not too bad because I haven't started painting yet. I love it. I think this is one of my best in a couple of years now because I haven't done a lot of sketching lately. Drawing that I have been referencing to, and this is it. And those are my flowers that I got myself.
Oh, also another step to being mindful. This year, I have been going really frequently to parks with my friends. So I recently went to the Cubbon Park and had a Monopoly picnic with them, like a typical Bangalore day. So we started off by getting some dosas for breakfast. Cheers! Cheers! And then we moved on to driving up to Cubbon Park and setting up a small picnic spot for us. Essentials. Fruit sweet.
Essentials.
And then we bought Monopoly and some snacks, so it was really fun.
Income tax refund लगभग रेलवे स्टेशन. I am black.
ये वाला वीडियो ले लेने शायद वो कवा है अरे 7 लगा 7 मुस्कान
ऐसी सनग्लासेस पहन के कुछ पहन के ठीक है बट मैं आज इतना अच्छा क्यूट कपल We also got dinner at Yuki because Yuki, if you don't know, Yuki is my current absolute favorite spot in Bangalore for Asian food, and I am obsessed with Asian food. Like, I would choose that any day over pizza, burger, and stuff. You know? Cheers! Couldn't end the day without dessert, and a typical Bangalore day has to end with Corner House. So we went to Corner House right before it was supposed to shut down. End to a classic Bangalore day. Corner House! Let's go! तो फिर
छोटा नया ट्राई करना
कर सकते
Cheers with the audience. Cheers with them.
Everything really just flew by this month, so I would really like to just say thank you to all of you. So happy holidays! I hope you guys are having a wonderful end of the year and sending a lot of love.